Alright, so I'm going to try to bring some seat foam back because I don't really want to spend any money right now. And, yeah. So anyway, it's ate away here and everywhere, so I'm going to try to level it out some. Take this foam, glue it into place, into square, and start shaping this foam back into spot. Yeah, we'll see how that looks. So I've leveled this part of the seat out, sprayed it down with some glue, which that's the best I could find at Walmart. I should have went to AutoZone. So anyway, I'll glue that square onto there. Then I'm going to take that and I'll shave that foam down. Like where this is nice and even, then I shave that down and cut the rest with a razor blade. So yeah, we'll keep going here. Okay, so got this on here. Let the glue set up for a while. And you see the whole front was gone. So I'm gonna round these off. And I think, because it's different density foam, you know, than the original seat foam, I think it'll end up all just kind of doing that and mashing down. And I think it'll end up turning out okay. Once I get the seat cover on it. So I'll show you this. I spray painted this, just the spots where it was rusting. I'm not doing a full restoration here. I'm sorry guys, I know. A piece of shit. So anyway, here it is. And I am using the alligator skin that I got at Walmart for the Mater build. I had some left over. And I think this will look great on it. It'll be like instead of a shitbox build, I'll call it the little Mater or something. I don't know. The teeth are in great shape, and so is the seat pan. It really is. So I'm pretty happy about that. Should make doing this pretty simple. Those three started. Okay. I think I've got it pretty lined up. I was kind of mocking things up off camera because I'm not trying to record all of this. I think everybody knows how to wrap a seat, or really don't need to watch this. I did take this leather or fake vinyl, whatever it is. Yeah, fake alligator skin. And I took it and laid it on the hood of my truck out in the sun. So it's really good and malleable right now. So I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, starting off good. Start getting this front wrapped around somehow. Ooh, this will be an experiment. Let's see here. Let's just get that going. back half done. Whatever, it didn't really wrinkle in the same spot. I don't know. I'll work on it. I'll work on it. Yeah, come on. There we go. Got that one. Let's take a look. There we go. Not too shabby. I'll take that for free. There's a couple wrinkle spots that I don't like, but there's not a lot of teeth on these. And not a lot of room to... So to make one stretch, I'll work with that. I'm down with that. That looks pretty good to me. Let's see what it looks like once it's on the machine here. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Looks good. Okie doke. Well, so now there's the seat. So now it's starting to look more like a wheeler now. I just got to get that spark done. I got the points robbed. If you watched the last video. Robbed the points off of this one and cleaned them up and put them on this one. So I'm going to play with that next here, now that I got that done. Okay. Alright. Catch you guys on the next one.